Conceptual Maths by STEMKit Education. Grade 4. Chapter 1, Numbers. Today we will study comparison of numbers. I will teach you how to know if a number is greater, smaller, or equal to the other number. With large numbers sometimes it can be confusing. Don't worry. We will learn it together. Notice the signs for comparisons. Left arrow means less than. Equal to sign. Right arrow means more than. An easy way to remember this is, the arrow always points to the smaller number. Now, let us take two numbers for comparison. We have to find out which number is greater, or if they are equal. Remember, we have to compare the digits in the highest place value first. Here, it is log's place value. Starting from the left, we go to lower place values one by one. We go to the next step only if both the digits in the place value being compared are equal. Back to the example. Here the digits in the log place value are equal. So we proceed to the next step and compare the digits in the next highest place value, the 10,000s. Here 7 is greater than 1. Which means the number with 7 in 10,000 place value is greater. Remember, do not go to the next steps of comparing other numbers. Comparing the rest of the digits is entirely unnecessary. Coming back to the 10,000s digits. Since 7 is greater than 1, the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. We write the symbol with arrow facing right, as the number on the right is smaller. That's all there is to it. That was easy, isn't it? Now you know how to compare numbers. Would you like to solve some questions now? Let's open the Conceptual Maths by STEMKit book to solve some questions.